All right, we're back. Camera died again. That's okay. It just prevented you from having to wait. When you buy pipe wrenches, don't mess around. Get a titanium aluminum pipe wrench. I've seen professional plumbers at my shop. They use these. So there's a reason for that. I have the cheapo orange ones too, but this titanium aluminum never let me down. And it's big enough to do even, I've had to do some big pipes. But this thing is rather heavy. Not much more heavy than the orange one, and it's like twice the size. This is making short work of that. Still taking frickin' forever because I don't have enough room to get a great rotation. Yeah. But it's working. It's working really good. And the heft of the wrench really helps with getting it turned because the weight itself okay, that's about as much as I dare turn it for that one. This one needs a little more. I think we're hitting the end of both of these. Finally. When you hear groaning, you really don't want to go much further, because that's usually a sign that you're going too far. You do more than that. So that's it for that. Yeah, I'll turn it on and check for leaks, but it's going to take at least an hour or two. It's safest to wait just a couple hours to let this glue on that joint there, yeah, dry. But I think we're done here. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. And I've worked with other sprinkler lines, the black ones in Michigan, quite a bit. This is my first, I've done a little bit PVC drain pipes. So this is my first foray into regular water pipe PVC. So if I did it all wrong, let me know. I'm fine with that. But if not, maybe you learned something. Yeah. So that's it. You have a good one now. Party on, live long, and prosper.